Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories, the podcast where we learn English in a fun and simple way. I'm Leo, your host, and today I'm not alone. I have a wonderful guest with me. Please say hello to the amazing Anna.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Leo. I'm so happy to be here today. Thank you for having me.
Of course, I always love talking with you. And today's topic is a happy one, a sweet one, a fun one. Anna, are you ready for my first question?
Always. Go ahead.
Okay, here is the big question to start our talk. Why do people love birthdays so much? What do you think?
Oh, nice question. I think people love birthdays because it is your special day. People smile at you, people call you, people give you cake. And who does not love cake?
Exactly. Cake is a big reason to love life. And also, birthdays make us feel young, or old, but still happy.
Yes, even if we get older, we also get more stories to tell.
So, Anna, let's help our listeners. How can we talk about birthdays in simple English?
Very easy. You can start with the date. For example, my birthday is on July 5th. Short and clear.
Good. And if someone asks you, when is your birthday, you answer the same way. Simple and friendly.
Right. And you can also ask, how do you celebrate your birthday? Then the conversation continues.
Anna, let's share something fun. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on April 12th. It is in spring. I love spring. The weather is warm, the flowers are happy, and so am I.
A spring birthday. So nice. Mine is on November 3rd. It is cold, windy, sometimes rainy, but still fun. I celebrate inside with blankets and hot chocolate.
That sounds very cozy. Do you have a party every year?
A small one. I like simple parties. Good food, good music, good friends. And you?
Sometimes I have a picnic, sometimes a dinner, sometimes just coffee with people I love. It depends on my mood.
Okay, Anna. Important question. Maybe the most important one in the world. What is the best birthday cake?
Oh, wow. Very important. For me, chocolate cake. Rich, sweet, perfect.
Yes, chocolate cake is king. I also like fruit cake, but chocolate is my hero.
Do you bake your cake?
No. If I bake, the cake becomes a rock, a real rock. I once made a cake for my sister. She tried to cut it, and the knife cried.
Poor cake, poor knife, poor sister.
Let's talk about gifts. Anna, what is the best birthday gift you ever got?
When I was a kid, my grandparents gave me a small white dog. Her name was Coco. She was my best friend.
A puppy. That is a perfect gift. My best gift was a red bicycle when I was 10. I rode it everywhere. I felt like a superhero.
Nice! And what about bad gifts? Do you have one?
Yes. One year, my uncle gave me a huge book called The History of Socks. A very big book about socks. Many pictures, too many pictures.
Leo, I don't know whether to laugh or cry.
Please laugh. I do.
Let's teach some simple birthday phrases.
Good idea. I will say the phrase, and you explain it. Ready?
Ready.
Happy birthday.
The classic, you can say it to anyone.
Make a wish.
You say this before someone blows out candles.
I have a gift for you.
Easy and polite.
Would you like to come to my birthday party?
A friendly way to invite someone.
Thank you. I love it.
What you say when someone gives you a gift.
Do you have special birthday traditions in your family?
Yes. In my family, the birthday person eats the first slice of cake. It is for good luck.
Nice. In my family, we take a funny photo every year. Same pose, same smile, just more wrinkles.
That sounds cute.
What about birthdays at work? How do people celebrate?
In my office, we bring a cake for the birthday person. We eat it during a short break. It is simple, but warm.
In my office, we write cards, many short messages. My favorite one is always, "Don't worry, you look young." Okay, everyone, we covered a lot today. How to say your birthday date, how to talk about parties, cake, gifts, traditions, good gifts, bad gifts, and even socks.
Yes, thank you for the socks story. I will remember it forever.
Now it's your turn, dear listeners. Here is our question of the day.
What is your favorite birthday memory? Or what is your perfect birthday party? Write your answer in simple English, just 2 or 3 sentences. We would love to read them.
Thank you for listening today. We hope you learned something new. And we hope your birthday, whenever it is, will be full of joy and cake.
Lots of cake.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.